Welcome back, Fleur community. Today's video, it's actually going to be a little bit different. It's obviously Thanksgiving over there across the pond in America. And even though I don't celebrate it here, it's not really a big thing in the UK, I am always practicing to be grateful for the things that I have. So I just want to say first and foremost that I'm extremely grateful for you guys, the community who watch my content on a daily basis. You know, it allows me to really keep things exciting, and especially the Patreon and YouTube supporters, they basically allow me to do this on behalf of all of the community and bring you these amazing videos, or at least, I hope they're amazing. Outside of the scope of that, there's many things that we can be grateful for each and every day. I mean, with so much pain in the world these days, there's wars going on, famine, disease. I think a lot of people neglect these fundamental things that we have, For example, waking up with a roof over your head. And it might not seem like much, but that's something I'm certainly grateful for. Having food in the fridge, having the ability to warm our own homes, and having the ability to have access to the internet and banking infrastructure. It's really important not to lose sight of these things because the world is quite a dark place for a lot of people. And if you're watching this video, you're actually very fortunate within yourself. And some things may happen in your life that may get you down, but if you think about it on the grand scheme of things, we're actually very lucky to be in a position that we are. So I just wanted to make this short and sweet video just to let you guys know what I'm really appreciative of. That's including you, the community, who have allowed me to create these videos for almost 2 years now, but also some of the most fundamental things that many people take for granted. We're very lucky to be here, and we're very lucky to have this opportunity to use our disposable income to invest in various projects. Not many people have that privilege. So sometimes, if you see someone struggling, maybe just reach out and help them out, And you can always remember that a smile is always free. And sometimes that's all that it takes to brighten up someone's day. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.